Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, let me introduce myself. My name is Laudy Zulfadli with name 2020-61076. My goal is to make this video to fulfill the assignment given by my teacher with the English course. In this video, I will explain about the execution and teaching of English vocabulary from journals L. Price Hall. English vocabulary execution from storybook reading 1. Story-based vocabulary teaching from storybook reading and story-based vocabulary teaching. First, about the journals L. French English vocabulary execution from storybook reading, where this journal explains that since 1970, the number of English language scale in the United States that has increased this fold. 20% of school age children are children of non-native speakers of English. All children under 5 do not attend kindergarten programs. Vocabulary Cloud is one give the strong predictor of monolingual reading development in middle grades. Robots car vocabulary in the first school years predict reading comprehension in years and for vocabulary execution. Road difference back in years childhood and one establish the difficult to change. Execution and teaching of English vocabulary in journals L. Press Holles. English vocabulary execution from storybook reading by way experiences with storybook reading in format in conversation and exposure to rare words in French car vocabulary beginning readings. A young school age children have several classroom-based contexts for vocabulary learning. Explicit curricular instruction of targeted word repetition of words in book acid of forget words repetition of words in book acid for reading instruction classroom discussion of words and expose to word from read about and this is now the links David Wilk C972 bagi 117-112 Summit of the Importance of Vocabulary Learning so very lightly can be solved with grammar almost everything and be solved with word list. Vocabulary teaching should be this can a art of language teaching all sleep listening speaker writing and teacher process vocabulary has on meeting one above stories give the learning of opportunity to invert the meanings of words that I do not know. So the historic context can castle explore and correct and core student to clear news word review it and learn by the student. For Sterling as a teaching tool in interprets modes of the teaching and assist in vocabulary teaching. Self-read text very rebooks vocabulary expression in native English speaker has been will documents in storybook reading context as a rank of ages in loading press call Trident Gordon of children as old as their guard studies of storybook reading have examined alternative notion of how storybook reading make support vocabulary expression. In examining implies exposure man of found that sample hearing new word to seeing expose source and repeat reading of story prompts learning of no vocabulary of there of examine explicit teaching in storybook reading context with example of new word of profit children learning is even greater. Moreover, studies of experts introduction during storybook reading flowed by us of new vocabulary in curricular activities have been so the benefit track word learning and grammar vocabulary development in fresh scholars. Thank you very much.